All right, I don't know if it's actually live. Is it on the same URL? I don't see myself. It says like building. What happened here? Okay, there we go. Hello. Okay, that one's gone. So this is closed. Delete. Tweet again. This comes here. All right. Matt, I don't know if... Oh, am I clipping? What the heck? Hello? Hello? I don't know if I lost you, but if you're there... The latency should be better now. Okay, so... Let's do this again. So that worked, and then we should see our log show up. Oh, so both of our remotes are wrong. Both the lowercase and uppercase didn't seem to make a difference. Okay, that's fine. And then real IP just didn't work. What is going on here? Okay, so how can we grab the remote IP address? Maybe HTTP remote. Stop all this. Start. OC link YouTube. Where's my log? Should still be doing both, I think. This is the one downside about serverless and Amazon. Logs take forever. Otherwise, let's do... I wonder if I could grab the forwarded for header before it's actually sent. Let's see. Come on. Maybe it didn't go. It had to have gone through, right? The other thing we can do is just go straight to CloudWatch. Or CloudWatch or CloudTrail? Watch. Where's my logs? Okay, redirect staging. Oh, they're all at the same time. Okay, let's do another one and see. OC.link YouTube. So I was at 803. log groups. Now we wait again. Otherwise, we come back here, check here. Logs. Still nothing from that first one, even. Like, something seems wrong. I don't know what to do other than wait for the damn log. Oh, there we go. So it's still empty. What else can we do? I mean, I guess we can test that it's actually sending something. Like 1, 2, 3. And we'll hit up Chrome again. Oh, see, nothing's even coming in. Hard coded it to 1, 2, 3, and nothing even came in. Okay, so nano config. What am I doing wrong? X real IP, just like we use XOSM path. Quest header. Okay, let's just change it. We'll do another one like X. Why can't I click up here? OSM IP. And then we'll stop this, start this, and then just to be OSM IP. Default value. So XIP is real value. It's empty. So what we need to do is just deploy this again. I'd like to know where this comes from. GitHub, Laravel, Vapor. Okay, so it's describing it from the Lambda details. Okay, that should be deployed. We can go back, try again. OC link, YouTube. Wait for our log. This is when we're on. We're looking for an 808 one. 759. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That came through. Okay. So that real IP must have just got cut out. So nano config. Go back down here. Come on. So instead, we can paste in remote. Then we'll stop and start and try again. Let's just do this. Give me 1 second. Oh, didn't work. Okay. Caddy original IP or client IP. How am I gonna grab the real IP? It's really Caddy v2 I'm using. They used the remote and it just worked fine, I guess. What do I do? Need that original IP address somehow. You just did a remote, XIP remote. Like what? I just don't know enough about it to know how to use it, you know? What can I do in here? I guess I can try now that it's actually being passed. Come on, click up here. I can try the HTTP request remote. But I have a suspicion that will not work as well. Oh, it did work. Shit, okay. Well, kind of. It added a port. Oh, okie dokie. Caddy remote includes port. I don't know how you. I wonder how you're supposed to. Why did it include the port? If it's just supposed to be, oops, the IP address. request remote. The entire HTTP body. So maybe the request. Well, I guess we can just strip it. I don't know what else to do. Okay, we'll try that. PHP substring. Okay. PHP, what is it called? It's not called, it's string position. String pause, haystack, needle. Okay, so this request header. So if we can't grab the header that we set, then instead fall back to the header that we grabbed from Vapor, and then IP will be substringed. Where's my helpers? All right. Okay, return IP. String, so the IP and the start. So IP and the start is going to be string position of haystack. So looking at the IP, we're looking for this. I don't know if we have to add a +1 or not. So we're going to start at the beginning, and then we're going to go to, so if it was into character 5, that'd be really character 4. So length would be +1. I don't know. Let's try it out. Okay. Deploy that, and then we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's close a bunch of stuff here. That'll go away, that'll go away, that'll go away. The actual app we can look at here. And then I'll pull up my database. Yeah, okay, so these all have default values. Okay. Cool. So it's kind of working, not quite. Oh, what I should do while I'm in here is redirects. Delete these. All right, that's been deployed. Hit staging. Check my database here. Oh, I don't need the +1. Okay. All right, do that, and we should be good to go. Now, every time we come in here, so then the next thing we would want to do is set up the, I don't know, I guess the page for the domain, the redirect. Let's look. Clicking on a redirect from the list should show the main. Yeah, okay. All right. So let's need this to deploy. Then we can verify that's working. And then we'll be off. Scroll through Twitter while we wait. What I need to do is install Dusk. Okay, let's test this. OC link YouTube. So that went through, and then check our database off stream here. Yep, okay, that worked. Oh, what the heck? So while that did work, something else did not work, which is when we track stuff on this route, how do you hide this? Oh, up here. Still get empty IP addresses. Like how? Why are we getting empty IP addresses? If we're checking the header, it doesn't exist. Maybe this is bad. If IP. What the heck? Maybe we go back to doing this. Because this should not be set anywhere. On like a regular request like here. Okay, in the meantime, let's get rolling with Dusk. This guy. And like always, while we wait, we scroll. What else do we got here? Chiptune, mixed type, hip hop. Where's chill? Oh, this is chill? What the hell? All right, let's try this again. Okay, so this is better. So redirects, domains. We get an actual IP address. That's all good. I don't know where this 2 is coming from. If I just click on one of these, get the error. Yeah, okay. So that's all good. And then just to confirm, we'll come back here. I'm going to change this audio quick. It's driving me nuts. Come back here. We'll do OC link. That went through. Yeah, okay. We're good. Okay, that can be closed. This can be closed. Back to Dusk. That can not split. Nope. Close, close. Good. So we're going to install. And then we can run our test. Our fake test. And then there's some stuff actually we need to do. So, okay, that actually ran. That's good. I have a, is it a post? Desk? No. Video? Search across your channel desk. Yeah, go to this. Yeah, need to define. Okay, so an image that we're gonna use. Oh, this is with GitLab. Now this is the. I think I have a different project that uses Desk on GitHub. Is it this one? Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna open that and copy that stuff over. Excuse me. Okay. So we're going to open up the course platform and copy. What do we want? This. GitHub. Build.yaml. Okay. So this is called redirects. On push, we can build some JS. That's fine. We can configure our application. Yada, yada, yada. All good. Oh, this desk testing stuff is fine. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Okay, cool. And then I think we just need to write a test. So we can come in here, write a test for login test. And then I can't remember if I'm using named routes or anything. Well, I guess auth is. Let's say test. Test. It renders the login page. Browse, visit login. See, what do we see for login? Probably the word login. Login. This will be our initial test just to see everything's working. DFS. Cool. And then I think we can even do. Oh, actually, you have to manually do it, don't you? If we go back to the course platform, there should be a desk test case. And we have to set one of these. Let's copy them all. Desk test case. Desk test case. Oh, they're already set. What did we have to set manually before? Laravel CI desk. Desk test. No sandbox. Huh. I didn't set that and it seems to be working fine, so just not going to set it and hopefully everything's okay. Okay, and then we'll come back to here and we'll delete that example test that Desk made for us. Example test can go away. Homepage. Whatever. still fine. There's another. Oops, sorry. There's another thing I like to do. Is set or take a screenshot when tests fail. But for now, I think that's fine. This is better than nothing. So, oh, and then the other thing we're going to want to do is make some factories. Oh, we already have them. Oh, for my cedar, I guess I use factories. Okay. So then we can do art make. I'll call it like list domain test. Domains test. List domains. Okay, and then we'll say, as an example, we have a test, and we'll say it can list domains. There it. And then at the beginning of the test, we will generate a bunch of domains. So a factory, a factory domain. I don't know what's going on with my autocomplete today. It doesn't like it in this project for some reason. Domain, class, create. Say we'll put 5. And then each domain, I think, belongs to a team or a user. Okay. So the user equals factory. User. I don't know if it's my VS Code or... Must be. Could be the project, I guess. So each one will belong to this user. Can't type user ID. There we go. And I think that's it. Everything else can be random. Don't care too much about. And I think there's a login method with Dusk, right? Okay, so we just have to pass to the user. Use user. Browser login as user. It's like typing keys and then they go away. Characters and then they go away. Visit domains. What's that one called? Domain.index. C. Actually, I think then what we could do is we can make this a variable. Pass them in here, and then we do domains each function. I don't know if this is considered bad. Use the browser. Why would it wrap that? Something's definitely wrong. What else? Do browser, assert C, domain. It's a host. All right. So I'm just trying to backfill a couple easy tests here. Make sure disk is working. Browser cannot be converted to string. Interacts with authentication. Hmm. 22, which is our login as. Oh, login as a browser. Why? I swear I typed user there. Okay, so we can't see our domains. So this is where it'd be good to add that screenshot on fail stuff set up. Browser screenshot. Oh, it does. Apparently I haven't done that route yet. Okay. Sounds about right. no, that's my fallback URL. So what is... What's the name of that route? Domain.index, right? Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay, we need to pass it through the route. Okay, get rid of all this. Try again. There we go. Okay. So we assert them all, and then what we'll do is also generate an outside scope domain, which is a domain that does not belong to this user. It's just a regular old domain. Create. And we'll pass that in, and we'll assert that we don't see it. Browser, assert, don't see this domain, this host. Ooh. Oh, are they always example.com? That's not going to work. I don't think there's a faker for like a host name, is there? Paragraph. There's a URL, but that'll include the HTTP and probably a path. What else? Faker. What else could we do? Isn't there an FQND? Fully qualified. Free email domain? PHP Faker FQ domain name. I guess I could just make one. I'm not sure what to do. Oh, here we go. Safe email domain. Free email domain. Okay. This will do. Or, oh, domain name. That's exactly what I want. Try again. Cool. Okay. Done. So that's a basic test for that. And what else could we do? So that's Dusk setup. Our caddy stuff is working. We should do this. Even just the basics of it. What did install Dusk? Set up GitHub Actions. Script. Base test for listing domains. Okay. So we want to do login. Basically want to click this and have this go somewhere useful. So I'll have a redirect controller, and it will have a show method here, and then we want to do some stuff, blah, 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 blah. Basically just return the view redirects.show for now and pass in the redirect as the redirect. I think that's the pattern we use. Redirects, yep. Show.blade.php. Copy this. Let's say redirect. This is just all temporary placeholder stuff. We don't want to list anything because we don't have a array to list. That'll be it. Now we can refresh. Okay, so we have a page. So if I'm on a redirect page, I think I'm going to identify it by that URL. So for us, it's just going to be, actually, I should make an attribute for this public function get. What do we call it? We're going to call it the combination of the origin and the destination. Oh, no, wait. Oh, yeah, we want to call it the combination of the domain and the origin. So get full path. Get domain path. Get URL. Easy enough attribute. Something's got to be wrong. Return this domain hosts. I think it's just these together. If I look at the blade route, yeah, so then this can just become URL, I think. Yep. Okay, so then in the show, the title can now just be redirect URL. Good. And then on small screens, what happens? Get smushed, whatever. A bunch of stuff needs to be fixed there. Okay, what do we want to display? We want to show an edit button, which we'll do. We want to show basic analytics, which we'll do, and show the domain. Okay. Let's write a test for this. Show redirect test. Oh. In my login test, should I have random migrations? I mean, it obviously worked, but I think it worked because it used my real database, which is another point. I actually need to make a Dusk environment file. Local. Let's copy all this shit over. I think I do. So like if I use database migrations, how, like I hit backspace and it transformed that into a UHTML tag. I think I just want to use data migrations all the time with Dusk. Might be a bad idea, but oh, apparently it was. MySQL. Okay, so our show redirect is not working because we haven't really done anything there. Delete everything, start fresh, test. It renders a redirect. So given we have a bunch of stuff, when this happens, we have a redirect created by a factory. Okay, and then we go to the redirect.showRoute or this redirect, and we see the redirect URL. That should work. Nope, that did not work. Okay. Test browser screenshots. Of course, we need to log in. So the user can be implied because it's attached. I think I could even do like redirect. A redirect has a user, but that's not the user that I want. I don't think. Why does a redirect have a user if a domain also has a user? Well, it's a problem for a different day. So we'll do login as the redirect user. All right, that worked. All right, I'm going to call it quits there. If you did watch this live stream, I appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter at Owen Conti. Next time, I'm going to continue writing these desk tests and working on the UI for this page. So we're going to add the edit button. So instead of create, we're going to make it edit. And then we're going to show some basic analytics. Basically, like I'm thinking how many hits, in the past day, week, month, year, whatever. And then maybe a map. Maybe the map can come after. Maybe hits and refers, I guess. And then we're just going to show the domain that the redirect belongs to. And that'll be it for this feature. That'll all be on next stream. I don't know when that'll be, but I hope you tune in, and I'll see you later.